Hey y'all, how's it going? Alright, so today we're going to be repairing some grass, and you can use this. I'm on a time crunch and I don't like to waste too much energy, so I'm probably just going to use that fresh topsoil, and then we will be spreading it with this. Alright, we're going to put this Pennington grass seed. It's a Kentucky 31 tall fescue mix. Just going to throw it in my little hand spreader here, and then we'll top it off with the soil. 91 degrees, super hot. Cheers to more bids and vids. Have a great day.